Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install the RAM in your 27-inch iMac. I bought the RAM on Amazon. They're quite good promotion. Anyway, I think in States or Germany it's cheaper than in UK. Anyway, this RAM, Kingston, has very good reviews, and it fits to Mac from 2013 2014, so it's from 2013 up to date. So for Retina and non-Retina iMacs. So first thing we have to do is just unbox it. Let's open this stuff. You can use knife, you can use finger, doesn't really matter. And in the meantime, you can switch off the computer, shut down. So once it's switched off, we have to take out all the cables. 1, 2, 3, 4 charging cable. I'm not sure if it's going from this side, so I can't remember. Yeah. Okay. And put it into the flat surface with some towel or something soft, and you make sure that there's nothing that can scratch your screen on it. So just check it twice, especially if you have animal or something, or kids. Maybe there can be some spikes or the other stuff. Okay, you put it on the side. You can clean it using apple cloth. Look, you can't notice how dirty it is until you take it out and look at the environment. A lot of dirt, and I see I even found some SIM card that I was looking for. Yeah, so it's good opportunity to clean. Okay, so basically there is a button in here. Let me screen a bit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You just need to push the button. You just need to push the button, man. According to instruction, you have to push it. This is magnetic, so I should use 2 hands, but the thing is, I'm shooting the video with my phone, Samsung Galaxy, and it's not too handy, and it's not possible really to put it into some kind of holder because of the edges. Okay, so you will see this, and there is even instruction on the cover plate. This is aluminum cover plate with magnetic edges. So put it on the side. Video suddenly stopped because of the limit. So yeah, we release it. It's not too hard, and as you can see, the tray is going smoothly. So as you can see, this is 4 gigabytes, and there are 2 more slots inside. Wait, let's make it. Yeah, there are 2 more slots, and in that slot we have to put the RAM itself. So let's take the. Actually, I could reorganize a bit the RAM tray. I could take this out and this out, and and put 8 gigs. Basically I got 2 times 8 gigs. What it says here. Yeah. Warranty is void if it's removed. And it says 16G. It should say 8G on 8G on this and 8G on this one. Anyway, you put it just like this inside, which you should do in with 2 hands. And I will try to do it with 1 hand. Maybe it will be fine. Smaller in here and larger in there. And one thing you just need to do is to fit them inside. It's easy, yeah. So I just noticed it should be like this. And if it's not going smooth, then it's wrong. Okay. Just pop it in, up, check if it's all firmly in there, and then close the tray. Okay, so we got now 8 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, and 4. So total is 24 gigabytes of RAM. By the way, there's some instruction manual. Some information from Kingston. In the past they used to give lifetime warranty. Now I don't know, but I haven't heard of a situation that RAM is broken down. So you have Polish, North, Netherlands, Italian, Deutsch, and of course English instruction manual. Why I bought from Amazon? Because it's reliable source. Sometimes you can buy it very cheap from Chinese websites, and when you receive it, then you realize it's not real Kingston. So once you installed the RAM, you can connect all the wires into your Mac, and it's gonna start. In the meantime, you can clean the screen, your fingerprints from the screen, and clean the cloth. Of course, it's so dirty now, so I guess I have to wash it. And if there will be no errors at all, so RAM will be good and suitable for your computer, for Mac actually, it's not computer. Then it's good. If you encourage any errors, especially during computer startup or running, like if it will hang up all the time and slow down or restart suddenly, then what you should try to do? First, you can take out the original Mac RAM, because maybe this is not compatible with the old one. And yeah, well, original is only 8. You have 16 now, so you can sell the original one and keep the new one. The other thing is just to return the, if it's not working, yeah, return the new one. Keep original RAM and try to go with other company. Kingston is very good and reliable. You can also buy Crucial. Crucial is a bit more expensive. I wanted to buy Crucial, honestly, but there was no opportunity to deliver it to Ireland, so I got this one. I will make a short vid after startup of computer. So what I noticed is like a first running computer with new RAM is pretty slow, so we can got confused, as I got, and but then it goes a bit faster. It's still not the same as if you had before. I mean, just like the boot up. So you have to be prepared. It's gonna be a bit slower, and system works fine. It's slightly faster, but I have numerous of applications, graphic applications, some kind of applications for programming, communicators, text editing, because I'm doing a lot of stuff. I'm studying editing, working, So I guess to feel the real speed bump on the computer, I will have to change into the SSD drive. Okay, let's see now the RAM. Go to about the Mac. And one more thing, if you want to speed up your system a bit, just get rid of the rubbish from your desktop. It really helps. I haven't done it yet because this is all like a project that I'm working now. So I don't have much time to play with it. So in the about the Mac, you got information about the system. I have Beta Austin El Capitan, which is not too good, honestly. This is beta, so it's still better than the previous ones, but it's not working properly. Still it's lacking of some functions. There are some malfunctions. Okay, so as you can see in here, 24 gigabytes of 1600 megahertz DDR3 RAM. This is the other specifications of my computer. Actually, I got it in 2014. I got quite a good deal on it. And if you click here, it's the memory section. You got the information of RAM that you have in. So like a total RAM and which is where. And if you click here, you can get instructions. Also on Apple website there's quite good manual how to do it. So I recommend you to go there and read about if you had any problems. You can also ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.